On the ground, every second counts. Downtime isn't an option. Founded by industry veterans, Avro GSE was born from one idea. Ground operations never stop. Why should your equipment? We didn't set out to be the biggest. We set out to be the most dependable. From our first tow tractor to today's electric fleet, every product carries one promise: keep airports moving, no excuses.
Being a smaller, more versatile, and I think ultimately a hungry company, they want to grow, they want to develop, they're looking for feedback, and they have a willingness to work with you, the customer. And we have seen such fast implementation of recommendation and changes to suit our needs that we would not get with the other guys.
Powered by customer-led research, Avro designs intuitive, durable GSE you can rely on. Our AAA program guarantees standby equipment, same-day parts, on-site technician support within 48 hours. Our concierge service and flexible warranties are tailored to your needs. And with GSE electrified options, we help you reach your sustainability goals. Electric operation, familiar controls, seamless integration. Avro GSE, best on ground. Visit avrogse.com to request your demo or quote today.